Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 5, Media and Democracy. In a democracy, media plays a very important role. It is a medium of exchange of information and views between the government and the people. So what does the term democracy means? Democracy is a medium of exchange, that is the information or views between the government and people. Media highlights the various problems faced by people from around the country, which the government takes into account and tries to solve. So, in a democracy, media highlights the various problems which are faced by the people around the country, and the government takes action according to the information which are given by the media, and they try to solve it. Media includes television, radio, the internet, newspaper, magazine, etc. So the media includes television, radio, the internet, newspaper, and magazine. A section of the media that is able to reach a large audience is called mass media. So a medium through which, or you can say a medium of media, that is these are the media through which all the information are able to reach to a large audience, it is called mass media. The mass media comprises newspaper, television, video recording, SMS, websites, and online ad campaign. So these are the various forms of mass media. Media can be categorized into two sections, print media and electronic media. So according to, or you can say according to the 21st century, the media is divided into two parts. So the first one is print media and the other one is electronic media. Print media, the print media includes newspaper, books, magazine, and journals. So what does the term print media includes? They are the newspaper, books, magazine, and journals. Print media is a popular form of media having a large dedicated audience. So the print media is very popular form of media, and many people they use the print media. Reading newspaper every day and reading magazine and journals in our free time is a part of our daily routine. So reading newspaper and magazine and journals, it especially in our free time, is our daily routine. Newspaper not only report important incidents from all over the country and the world, but they also serve as a platform of expressing public opinion. So the newspaper, it is not only a, you can say, a piece of paper where the information from around the country and around the world are you can say written, but also it serves as a medium through which the public can share their opinion. Newspaper and magazine carry articles written by eminent personalities from different walks of life expressing their views on various issues. So the newspaper and magazine written by famous personalities, it helps in you can say expressing their views and different types of issues which they are facing. They also carry stories of hope and courage as well as struggle and despair from around the world. So they carry a huge amount of stories of hope and courage as well as different types of struggles and discomfort which are taking place in our uh, in, in around the world. People from remote areas also get a chance to get their plight highlighted to the public living in a more developed area. So the people who are living in remote area, that means in the rural or village area, they also get a chance to express their views, okay, and their problems are highlighted as compared to the people who are living in a developed areas. Newspaper and magazines also undertake survey among the people to know about public opinion on a wide range of subjects including politics, fashion, sports, and etc. So in the newspaper, not only the information but different types of various surveys are also written, and it also helps in shaping the public opinion related to the fields such as politics, fashion, sports, and so on, or you can say etc. Fat Fox, the print media played an important role in our struggle for freedom. So the print media play an important role in order to get freedom from the Britishers. Newspaper published in English as well as regional language were effective in generating public opinion against the British rule. So during the colonial period, newspaper which were published in English as well as the native language or the regional language, it helps the people to get aware about the evil practices which were done by the British in the colonial period. For instance, newspapers such as Kesari and Amrita Bazar Patrika, published in regional languages, were important tools for spreading anti-British sentiment. So, two such examples are newspaper known as Kesari and another one is Amrita Bazar Patrika. It was published especially in the regional language. With the help of these two newspapers, the freedom fighter, they were able to spread awareness about the Britishers and how they should boycott the British government. All this information was spread through these two in newspaper which were published in the regional languages.